Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Magento on AWS EC2 after failed upgrade. Full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. In the EC2 dashboard, locate and select your instances. Find the instance that hosts your Magento application. Ensure the instance is in a running state. Select the instance and click on Connect to access it via SSH. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the SSH command provided to connect to your instance. After connecting, navigate to your Magento installation directory. Create a backup of your current Magento files. Run the command to create a backup of your database. If you have a backup archive, upload it to your instance. Extract the backup files to your Magento directory. Check your web server configuration to ensure it points to the correct Magento directory. Review your Magento configuration files for any discrepancies. Open the database and verify that all necessary tables exist. If required, restore the database from your backup. Update the database configuration in app/etc/env.php to match your environment. Run Magento's command line interface to clear the cache. Execute the command to recompile the code. Verify that your file permissions are correctly set for web access. Restart your web server to apply configuration changes. Visit your website URL to check if Magento is accessible. If the site is not displaying correctly, check the log files for errors. Address any issues highlighted in the log files. Once everything is functioning, perform a final check of your site's functionality. Consider creating a new backup of your restored Magento installation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.